It's easy enough to cut bevels between 45 and 90 degrees on a table saw, but what if you need a more acute angle, such as 30 degrees? You can't tilt your blade that far, but you can do it with a little math. Subtract 30 degrees from 90 and you get 60 degrees. Tilt your blade to that angle. Then run your workpiece on edge, which is 90 degrees, and the result will be a 30-degree bevel. Of course, you can't cut a bevel exactly like this because you're removing the entire edge of the workpiece. Halfway through the cut, you'll realize the only thing still supporting the panel is the spinning saw blade beneath it. Instead, use some double-sided tape to attach a second piece of material to the back side of your workpiece. Now you can safely bevel the entire edge of the outer panel while the inner one rides on top of the saw where it will provide support throughout the cut. If you sharpen your tools by hand, do yourself a favor. Try one of Trend's diamond stones. You can start with a card, but before long you'll want a full bend stone because these things cut fast, they stay perfectly flat, and you can go from stone to strop to wood and be back to work in under a minute. I'll link to my favorites in the notes below this video. Wait, don't go yet. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell. I would really appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, or better yet, leave us a comment. I always read them. And be sure to check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. It's always packed with tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker.